Loving you, physical, so beautiful. Making love with you, it's all I wanna do. Loving you, it's more than just a dream come true. Everything that I do is out of loving you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, do 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 do. Oh, no one else can make me feel colors that you bring. Stay with me when I go old. We will live it spend times loving you. I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much luck with love before. And I couldn't compete. I seem just part of the street to be walk on by everyone to say I have a very special loving you. It's a feeling that's so totally new, over and over, setting inside. I have a very special loving you, and it almost breaks me in two, over and inside. I have a very let go. Oh. Whoa, whoa. If I would love to live my life again, it's stay in love with you the way I've been. I love something no one else can ever replace. I can't imagine life with someone else. I promise I will share my life with you. Forever may not be enough, it's true. My heart is filled with so much love I feel for you. No words can say how much I love you so. Said you believe as we find love together so happily.